Welcome back, Sedona, to another installment of Red Rock Ready. I'm Chance Winnock, Emergency Management Coordinator for the Sedona Police Department, and today we're going to be talking about fire restrictions. I'm sure you felt things heating up and drying out there, and that means based on careful consideration of the current conditions, both the Forest and Sedona Fire District have chosen to go into Stage 1 restrictions. Some of the things that are prohibited during Stage 1 restrictions include building or maintaining a campfire outside of a developed recreation site or smoking outside of an enclosed vehicle. If you are going to be in the forest, make sure your stove has an on-off switch or gas regulator so you can shut off the flame. Make sure you check the restrictions in your specific area, whether that's the county's, Coconino National Forest, or the boundaries of Sedona Fire District. Make sure you're observing fire restrictions so together we can all be Red Rock ready.